Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you on how to use the DWG FastView to view your AutoCAD drawing. The purpose of the DWG FastView is that it enables you to do a quick edit on your AutoCAD drawing file using your mobile phone. So let me put you through on how to do that. Once you install DWG FastView on Play Store, then you launch it. Then after you launch your DWG FastView, it's going to enable you to view any AutoCAD drawing files. For example, now I want to view this drawing now, so I use my DWG FastView to do that. These are the features of DWG FastView. It has a polyline line text where you can quickly put a text on your drawings, just like your AutoCAD softwares, circle and all others, rectangles. Looking at this boundary now, you can do a quick edit using your mobile phone even without you having system with you. This distance now, I want to edit it. What I'll do is I'll click on it, then I'll click on edit text. So it's going to bring out a display page where you can do an edit. Now you can do any edit you want to do on the screen here. Now this 0.58 now I'll be changing it to 0.60. Then you click on done. After you are done with the edit, now you can see now I've changed it from 47.58 to 60.0. That is one of the features of the DWG FastView. It enables you to do a edit on your phone using your phone. Another thing is that on your DWG you can also edit your title. On DWG FastView you can change your boundary colors, whereby you select the boundary and then you give it any color that you want to use for your boundary. You can see now I've changed the color from red to lemon. So that is how to change color on DWG FastView. You can also plot on DWG. It's going to allow you to specify your first point. Then you input your length like 98.50. Then you click on enter. Now you can see now it has enables me to plot this line, delete. You can also delete that line. Another thing is that you can also locate a coordinate on DWG FastView. What you just simply do is you click on this icon here. Now it's showing you, it's going to display an icon to select the coordinate you want to locate. Now you can see now I've located the coordinate of this point. Now this is the coordinates, x and y coordinates. And that is another features of DWG FastView. So DWG FastView works like an alternative to AutoCAD drawing, whereby you can do a quick edit using your mobile phone. When you are not with your laptop, you can quickly do an edit. That is the purpose of DWG FastView. Thank you.